If you are selling products online through TikTok, Amazon, or your own store, you already know that a single great video can completely change your business trajectory. But actually creating those short, punchy clips from your long-form videos for every different platform is the part that nobody talks about until you are weeks behind schedule. I want to show you a tool today that turns that entire content creation mess into a true productivity superpower. Meet Vizard, the AI-powered editor that takes your long recordings and instantly transforms them into viral-ready clips without you needing to spend all night learning complex software. Hi everyone, I am Cece, and this is Inside Your Hustle, where we look at the tools that actually save you time. When you open the Vizard dashboard, you will notice it is incredibly clean, clutter-free, and puts every essential tool exactly where you would naturally expect to find it. You simply hit the import button, drop in your long video file, whether it is a podcast, a webinar, or a raw product demo, and let the platform handle the heavy lifting. You do not need to trim or edit anything beforehand. Just upload your file, go grab a fresh cup of coffee, and come back to find that Vizard has already started working. The real magic happens with the auto-editing viral clips feature, which scans your entire hour-long file to find those hidden gems that are statistically likely to perform well. It pinpoints moments filled with surprising statistics, strong emotional reactions, or quick how-to explanations that people genuinely love to share and repeat. It provides you with a handful of clip options with suggested start and end points, allowing you to accept them all, tweak them, or combine bits as you see fit. It honestly feels like having a talented junior editor on your team who finally understands exactly what keeps people watching on the internet. Let me demonstrate with a 30-minute product walkthrough I uploaded, where Vizard automatically flagged 5 distinct clips, ranging from a quick reveal to a detailed tutorial snippet. I just clicked preview, and suddenly I had instant short-form videos perfectly cropped for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram feeds all at once. What I love most is that the platform does not force you into a one-size-fits-all edit. You have total control over the length and the style of your content. You can easily choose to keep the original audio, add a dynamic soundtrack to boost energy, or overlay highly legible captions to increase your viewer retention. Speaking of captions, the system auto-generates accurate transcripts and then burns them into your video with customizable templates that you can change in seconds. I personally move my captions to the bottom and boost the contrast, ensuring they are perfectly readable for everyone watching on their mobile phones. When you compare this to other solutions, you realize that while many tools transcribe or cut clips, they fail to actually select the viral, engaging bits for you. Many competitors charge ridiculous fees for smart features, while others make you manually export 9 different aspect ratios and upload them one by one. Vizard automates that entire painful chain of events, so you can spend your time focusing on big ideas, rather than worrying about file naming and format conversion. Another feature you absolutely have to try is the auto schedule, which eliminates the need to manually queue every single clip across 5 different apps. You just set your desired frequency, for instance, 3 times a week, and Vizard handles the distribution across your connected social platforms automatically. If you want a specific clip to only go to TikTok and not Instagram, you have full control over those settings, or you can even set content to recycle automatically. This functionality is a complete game changer if you are attempting to maintain a steady, professional presence without needing to hire a full-time social media manager. Let us walk through a realistic workflow. I typically select 4 clips from the auto-generated batch to prepare for my upcoming week of content. For each specific clip, I refine the caption, add relevant hashtags that Vizard suggests based on the content, and even pin a call to action overlay. Once everything looks good, I hit schedule, and Vizard slots each post into the optimal engagement windows, so I do not have to guess when to hit publish. The content calendar view is the central hub where you can visualize your entire month, edit posts on the fly, or drag and drop to reschedule if plans change. I want to be transparent though. Not every tool that promises AI-driven results actually gets it right, and I have used platforms that chop sentences in half. Vizard Selection is genuinely smart about context. It identifies natural starts and ends that make sense and even suggests a catchy title you can use in your post. It also provides analytics later so you can see which snippets performed best, and then it proactively suggests more clips from similar timestamps in your other videos. One workflow I swear by is batch recording a long podcast, letting Vizard generate 20 clips overnight and waking up to a fully filled calendar. Comparing that to the old way where I would manually edit, export, resize, and upload 8 times over, Vizard reduces that massive grind to one streamlined loop. There is also a fantastic collaborative side to this platform if you are building a team, as you can invite editors or brand managers to comment on specific clips. Everything stays synced within the workspace, meaning someone else can jump in and push a video live for you if you happen to be swamped with other business. Regarding pricing, some pro tools offer these features, but at a cost that makes you question the return on investment for your side hustle. Vizard's model is built specifically for creators who post often. It is priced to let you run consistent repurposing without having to stress over every single export. Let me demonstrate a quick edit where I take a clip of me showcasing a product and transform it into a polished, branded short with just a few clicks. The auto-generated captions were perfect, and I just swapped the hook headline to be a bit more on-brand for my personal style and target audience. Adjusting the timing of those captions took exactly 2 clicks, and the music bed options provided by the tool matched the energy of my clip perfectly. It is important to remember that not everything is perfect. You should always check the tone and context yourself, because AI is here to suggest, while you decide. For truly cinematic or nuanced storytelling, a human editor will always add essential value, but for founders and coaches, Vizard massively speeds up the process. Another major advantage I have not seen executed well elsewhere is the cross-platform formatting, which creates every ratio automatically while optimizing text placement. This means your captions will never get cut off on TikTok, Shorts, or Reels, because the system understands the safe zones for every single platform. And it is not just for product promos. I have used it for client webinars and Q&A streams, and it consistently finds the most teachable, engaging moments. For educators and coaches, this is absolute gold. You can turn a single lecture into an entire month of micro lessons without any extra filming. Wrapping up, if you are trying to scale your content without burning out, Vizard is the sort of tool that keeps your output consistent and high quality. It is not a magic wand that replaces creative strategy, but it removes the tedious, repetitive work so you can be the brain behind the brand voice. If you want to give it a try, I have left a link down below in the description, so go ahead and upload a video to test out the auto generation. If you value fast outputs and want to stop the manual grind, you will quickly see exactly why I am recommending this tool to everyone I know. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you rethink your content strategy, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you do not miss future updates. Drop a comment below and tell me what video you are going to repurpose first. And remember that consistency beats perfection, so you have got this.